Hello, happy Dashera. So, Prakriti, what are the plans for today?
Happy Dashera, Nandita. I don't have any plans here, but I'm feeling very nostalgic today because when I was young and I was in my town, Bhopal, we were very busy on Dashera. From evening, we would dress up and we would go Ravan effigy hopping from one place to another and witness all the Ravan effigies as well as Meghnad and Kumbhakaran's effigies, which were getting burnt at different spots in our hometown.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Coincidentally, we also have the story of Poltu Nina and Bablu, who have gone to their grandfather's village in Uttar Pradesh for the first time to witness this effigy burning moment. So, Nina, Poltu, and Bablu reached their grandfather's village, and as they saw, everybody in the village was busy with something, going here and there, getting things, making something. They were a bit confused and they asked, Dadaji, what's happening today? Why is everyone so busy? Nobody has time to even stop. That's when Dadaji said, Re, today is Dasera. After celebrating the 9 days of Navratri, today is Vijayadashmi, the day Lord Ram emerged victorious over Ravan. And that's why, as a tradition, everybody is busy making effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, and Kumbhakaran. And what would they do with these effigies? Poltu asked. Dadaji said, in the evening, these effigies are erected. As they are filled with crackers, a small boy would dress up as Ram and shoot an arrow with a flame. And that, when it strikes the effigy, would burst and make a thunderous noise, signifying the end of Ravan at the hands of Lord Ram. The kids were mighty excited listening to all this.
नीना, पोल्टू और बबलू झट से बोले, दादाजी हमें भी बनाना है ना रावण का एक पुतला। दादाजी उन्हें कैसे मना करते। बोले, हाँ थोड़ा लेट तो हो गया है, पर कोई बात नहीं, चलो हम अभी लग जाते हैं। तो जल्दी जल्दी नीना दौड़ी और लकड़ी की बल्लियां ले आई। पोल्टू दौड़ के खूब सारे रंग बिरंगे कागज ले आया और बबलू फेविकॉल और कलर्स और पेंट्स और सिजर्स सारा सामान लेके आ गया। बस फिर क्या था, तीनों दादाजी के साथ लग गए। दादाजी उन्हें बार बार इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते रहते और नीना, पोल्टू और बबलू ध्यान से सुनकर वही करते जाते। तो पहले उन्होंने रस्सी और बल्लियां लेकर रावण का ढांचा बनाया, एक सीधी और एक आड़ी। उसके बाद दादाजी के इंस्ट्रक्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने उसके ऊपर पेपर रैप करना चालू कर दिया और फिर उस पेपर में भूसा भर दिया, जिससे बड़े बड़े मोटे मोटे हाथ हो जाए और मोटी सी उसकी बॉडी हो जाए। अब पोल्टू और बबलू लग गए रावण के चेहरे बनाने। इतने सारे 10-10। तो पोल्टू ने बोला, सारे के सारे 10-10 एक जैसे चेहरे बनाने का क्या फायदा है। ऐसा करता हूं, मैं हर चेहरा अलग अलग बनाता हूं, एक हंसता हुआ, एक रोता हुआ, एक गुस्से में, एक चिढ़ाते हुए, एक घमंडी। ऐसे करके उसने खूब सारे सुंदर सुंदर चेहरे बना दिए। तब तक नीना ने पूरे रावण की बॉडी को पेंट कर दिया। फिर तीनों बच्चों ने मिलकर गोल्डन पेपर काटकर रावण का मुकुट बनाया, उसके आभूषण बनाए। और फिर दादाजी ने बोला कि रावण तो सही लग रहा है, पर वो है युद्ध भूमि पर, तो उसके हाथ में कुछ अस्त्र तो दिखाओ। तो फिर पोल्टू ने एक बड़ा सा कार्डबोर्ड काट के ढाल बनाई और नीना ने एक और कार्डबोर्ड काट कर तलवार बना दी और उसके हाथ में पकड़ा दी। फिर क्या था, उनका रावण हो गया था बिल्कुल तैयार। बस अब बारी थी उसमें थोड़े पटाखे भरने की। पर दादाजी जब दुकान पे गए तो सारे पटाखे खत्म हो चुके थे। सारे बच्चों ने ऑलरेडी सारे पटाखे अपने अपने रावण, मेघनाद और कुंभकर्ण के पुतलों में भर दिए थे। दादाजी ने बोला, कोई बात नहीं, हमारा रावण अनोखा होगा, बिना पटाखों वाला। जब मीना, पोल्टू और बबलू ने रावण का पुतला पूरा तैयार कर दिया, तब वो उसको प्यार से निहारने लगे।
Wow, how beautiful the effigy looks. This is so nice. Each child had their own version. I like the ornaments, Bablu said. I like the weapons, Poltu said. Meena said, I like all the heads, the way you all made the faces. This looks so nice. And she became very sad. Noticing that, Dadaji came close to her and asked Meena, Meena, what happened? What makes you so sad after making such a beautiful effigy? And she said, Dadaji, I'm just thinking that your tradition is important, but I feel very bad to burn this, the one that we created on our own with so much of efforts in such little time. It's our first time, and this is very close to me. Is there any way that we cannot burn this effigy, please? Dadaji smiled and said, let's see. Come, first let me take you around the farms. You guys have not visited our farms, have you? No, the kids got all excited, forgetting temporarily about Ravan, and followed their Dadaji to their farm. There were wheat fields and maize growing on all sides. So happy the children were to visit the farm, for they had never seen anything like this in their busy cities. Then Dadaji gave them a tour of the entire farm, the cow shed where all the cows were kept, and the grazing area, the stables. The kids had an outing like as if they had gone to a pet farm. As they were taking a tour around their own farm, they happened to see something in the neighboring farm. And there's Dadaji. What is that scary looking man standing like this doing there? Dadaji said, oh, that's a scarecrow. You know, when we sow seeds, birds tend to come and eat those seeds. So these scarecrows are kept to frighten the birds away so that our seeds are safe and crops grow as they are meant to be. So, where is our scarecrow? Bablu asked. Oh, ours was a bit damaged and I have to redo that, Dadaji said. Just then, Meena got an idea.
मीना ने पोल्टू और बबलू की तरफ देखा। पोल्टू और बबलू के भी मन में वही बात थी और तीनों झट से बोल पड़े, दादाजी, क्यों ना हम अपने रावण के पुतले को आपके खेत में लगा दें, एक स्केरक्रो की तरह। दादाजी जोर जोर से हंसे और बोले, वाह, एक उल्टा मटका जिसपे हम आंख और मुंह बना देते हैं, वो ही इन चिड़ियों को झट से उड़ा देता है। अगर 10 सर लगाएंगे तो बेचारी चिड़िया तो डर के मारे पता नहीं कहाँ उड़ जाएंगी और हमारा खेत तो बिल्कुल सुरक्षित रहेगा। क्या आइडिया दिया है तुम सब बच्चों ने। बस फिर क्या था, मीना, पोल्टू और बबलू अपने दादाजी की मदद से पुतला उठाकर लाए और खेत में लगा दिया।
So after putting their scarecrow, it was evening time and they could hear some more sounds. As they went quickly to the place where they were hearing the sound, they saw for the first time the Ravan effigy being burned down. Wow, what a sight it was. What energy. And they saw many other places where these Ravan effigies were burnt and finally reached their farm to see their own Ravan effigy and their version of celebrating Vijayadashmi. And they began singing this beautiful song. विजयी हुए श्री राम आज रावण का दहन मनाएंगे.
छोड़ बुराई आज एक हम विजयदशमी मनाएंगे. श्री रामचंद्र की जय.
Jai. Thank you for watching all our videos through Navratri and Dasera. Keep sharing your love. Thank you.